Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn about articles. Have you ever noticed that there are three tiny words that secretly control the entire English language? They are a, and the. And yes, they are called the articles. And if you misuse them, your sentences instantly feel wrong. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you are going to master them forever. So let's decode the articles. Articles are divided into two categories. One is indefinite articles and the other one is definite articles. Indefinite articles include a and an, while definite articles include the. Let's begin with the indefinite articles first. So we use indefinite articles when we are talking about any random member of a group. We use a for consonant sounds and an for vowel sounds, which are a, e, I, o and u. Let's comprehend this with some examples. If I say give me a banana, so I mean that I do not care which one. Just give me any yellow banana from the bunch. And if I say I saw an elephant, so it means that I am just talking about one random elephant out of all. Do you see that indefinite articles are not difficult to understand? Let's move on towards definite article, which is the. So the rule is we use it when we are talking about something specific, unique, or something everyone already knows about. Let's understand it with an example. Previously, I gave you an example that give me a banana, which meant that give me any banana from the bunch. But if I say give me the banana, I mean that one specific banana you're holding in your hand. Don't touch the other ones. Similarly, we also say the sun or the moon because there's only one of them. So in short, if we are talking about any random thing, we will use indefinite articles. But if we are talking about any specific thing, we will use definite article. Now, let me tell you an interesting fact. And we can name it the vowel trap. And the fact is, when we use indefinite articles, it is all about the sound, not the letters. Because why do we say an or but a university? While or starts with H, which is a consonant word, but because it is silent, so the sound is R, which is a vowel sound. On the other hand, university starts with a vowel word, but it sounds like a consonant sound, which is U, which gives the sound of Y. That is why we are using an with R and a with university. So trust your ears, not your eyes. So here is your little test. Look at this sentence. I saw dash honest man yesterday. What will be the answer? A, an or the? Drop your answer in the comments right now. And if you have any questions, you can ask freely in the comment section. Thank you.